Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the toilet. So in this case I had to go to a customer, and the customer, they have the problem, the toilet was leaking there, so in between the bowl and the tank. So what I did is I replaced it with this type of new toilet that I recommend, because when you have less things, less moving parts, it will be better. You're going to have less problems, because most of the toilets that you see over there, they have the tank and the bowl is all independent, so and you're going to have this type of issue. So I'm going to continue when I leave here, because they have the music here and I may get a copyright strike. Continuing here in my car, so I'm going to tell you, once you have decided whatever you want to do, if you want to replace the toilet just with the bowl and the tank all together, or otherwise, you can get the other models that I told you before. But the downside about that is that you're going to have that problem in the future. If the toilet that you have gets discontinued or something like that, it's going to be harder to find those gaskets. Like it happened to me. I went to the customer, and there was an Ace Hardware next, like 5 blocks away maybe from this customer, and then I went to this place. They had something similar, but it wasn't the same, and it didn't work out. So it depends on where you are in the world, but here in US, if you charge, let's say, $60 or maybe $100 an hour, it depends on the state where you are, and you can get, the toilet for $140 or $145 or something like that. It makes no sense to go, you spend maybe half an hour to go to get the part, another half an hour just to return, and then maybe 1 hour, dealing with the toilet, and then it doesn't work, and then you have to return you have to return the part, or go again and try to get something else, or maybe travel maybe 45 minutes to Home Depot or something like that. So it makes no sense. From the point of view, from money point of view, it makes no sense. So it's better just to go with the solution. And that is what happened to me. I said to the customer, okay, we can give it a try, but if it doesn't work, we will have to replace the whole thing. It will be your best bet. And that is what we did. So we replaced the whole thing. I'm going to show you step by step how you can replace the toilet and everything that you have to keep in mind. Okay, now we are going to replace the toilet. So here we have the toilet, one piece with the tank, easier, because there was a problem with the gasket that is in the other side. It was leaking. I couldn't find the right size of gasket. Another thing that we are going to do, we're going to grab a cup to empty the water we have is inside. And here we have the bulb. We are going to remove, as you can see there, over there, that we're going to unscrew it. That is the water that fills the tank. And we have the nuts here on this side, the other nut in the other side, and here we have the other screws, as you can see over there. So we're going to remove them all, and those screws can be removed from there. So from that point we can remove everything. So I'm going to take the toilet out of the box. I came with a helper because this is very heavy, so I recommend you to work with 2 people. Okay, as you can see, we just took this out of the box. We have the seat, we have the screws will go here, and we're going to put them over there. As you can see, here is all one piece. So here you have 2 buttons, one for more water, for less water. And here we have the other side. Usually you put the wax here that goes to the hole, and in the other side, as you can see, we have one piece over there. That is great. That is where the water will come in. That's it. So it's very clean, brand new toilet. Then you can put the fingers everywhere. Here is the other side. So now we have to remove the screws. You're going to need a screwdriver. I'm going to bring a screwdriver to remove the tank.
The tank? We ain't gonna remove the tank. What are we gonna remove the tank for?
Yeah?
We don't have to remove the tank.
Okay, we take it all completely.
Yeah, take it completely.
Alright. Let's do that then.
A lot easier.
Yep. I'm going to prepare this. So as you can see, it comes with this. I took out of the box, I mean not the bag. So basically, this goes like that. The same shape. Put it there. Push it all the way in. There we go. Now we're gonna put that thing over there, and we should be ready to go. Okay, now we have to lift this up so we can put the screws in. As you can see, there we go. Put it like that. Here. Fell the other one. We're going to put it there. Then we put the screws on the bottom, as you can see, and that's it. Okay, as you can see, that is a wax ring that needs to be replaced when you install the new one. We should be okay, so this is ready to go. You can remove the tank like I showed you before, or not. In this case, they had with this tank, this gasket that was inside was a pain in the butt, so I couldn't find the right one, so it was leaking. Explain what you're doing.
I'm taking off the old wax ring.
All right.
So that way I can install the new wax ring. The wax ring has to be put on the right way, so that way when we set the toilet, it'll smush out the right way and seal. If not, then it'll leak.
Yep.
You don't want to touch this stuff because remember, this is all sewage.
Yep.
Okay. It's probably waste. You don't want to touch it.
Yeah, all the poop and everything.
Yeah. I try not to touch it.
Yeah.
I mean, in all actuality, we should be wearing rubber gloves.
Yep.
But I'll wash my hands when I'm done.
Yep. Do you need a screwdriver for that?
No. They didn't give us any one, did they? Or did they? I have to look and see. We might just put the new ring in.
And see how it goes?
Yeah.
All right.
What they gave us was this right here.
Yep.
All right, bye.
We have the
So
same
we're just going to
area.
replace that. We can replace the bolts because they did give us new ones and they're wing nuts. So we're going to put them in. We'll take these old ones out.
Yep.
But we'll leave this in. This is a spacer is what this is.
Yep.
They didn't give us one with the kit. So apparently they needed it last time. So we'll just put the new one in on top of it. And but you got to make sure you get all this old wax off there. As much as possible. It ain't got to be like perfect, clean, but it's best if you can get it as clean as possible.
Yep.
I leave the wax in the holes.
Yeah, that doesn't matter.
Yes, leave it in the holes.
The nuts with the old one was here, inside of these caps.
Yes, it was.
Okay, otherwise we have to use this one, right?
Yeah, I got them all right here.
All right.
I never throw nothing away until the end.
Yep. Cut out for the screws that we see from there, so the way the toilet will be down on the floor. We're cleaning the floors the way it will be flat as possible. The new wax already, now ready to roll. Let's just grab this out of the way, put it here. Oh, yep. It went all the way in, as you can see over there. Yep. Now this goes in, and that's it.
Yeah, screw it down. Hook up the water.
The
Let it
hose
settle
is,
a little bit.
yes, is the hose long enough?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay, now we have to install this.
Yeah, I got it. We'll do that at the end. Get it all mounted up first. Install the water at the very end and turn it on.
Yep.
This one goes over here.
The cup, and that's it. It's filling up. Oh, we have water already. We have water already.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant on the floor. I'm like,
No.
oh, don't tell me that.
We have the
Everything looks good. I don't see no leaking.
yeah. We
Everything
got
done,
that.
everything.
We installed the little hose.
It's all about putting the toilet on the wax ring right. That's all
Yeah.
it is. If you do that right, you will never have a problem. And everybody's like, oh, silicone it. I mean, yeah, you can, but you don't have to. You know what I'm saying? So.
Beautiful. Yep.
Voila. Done.